In the last video, I said we're gonna go short here, and we did. And in general, we have a bearish trend for the next few days. And for the next 5 days, we had basically a bunch of dumps. Every opportunity you had to short, you could have taken it and make profit. But right now, we're trending really, really strong. And the question is, what is going to happen now? Obviously, this video is no financial advice. I gave you a lot of trades on Ondo, and I love trading Ondo. I love trading the price action. So if you want to learn more, just use the link in the description down below to sign up. Just sign up for free. You can also sign up to my Signals chat and a bunch of other stuff. So do check the link in the description down below. I'll talk about that later. I don't want to waste a second of your time. So there's a few key areas right now on the daily chart. The main important one is this one. We did break this trend line right here with 1-2 touches. Third touch was a breakout. This breakout was very strong. It has really good momentum. What happened? We retraced to it, stopped out a bunch of traders. The question is, what is going to happen now? So here are a few scenarios, and the most important one revolves around where the liquidations on those. So if you go ahead and check out the Binance liquidations right here, these are the Mexi. Let me check the Binance. Sometimes it takes a second. Ondo, Binance, here we are. The Binance liquidations, basically we have a bunch of liquidations below this low and some liquidations above these highs. So there's most of the liquidations are right here, and we definitely need to take all of these guys out. So there are liquidations here plus below these lows, and then we have liquidations above here, but they're not that much. So what I think will happen from here is I think we go to this area, then we move higher and clean out these liquidations. I will be longing here, shorting here with some confirmations on the longs and shorts ratio, but that will be for Signals chat. That's basically how I'm planning to trade Ondo. I can make another Ondo video tomorrow or the other day if this video gets 10 likes, so make sure you help me out. I would love to do that. Also, right now there's a special partnership ongoing with BTCC, from on-court to on-chain, celebrating JJ's partnership with BTCC. Join the on-court action and compete for 500 grand prize pool with Jaren Jackson Jr. signed jersey. Futures trading volume competition, unlock prize 70 grand with 4 bill trading volume. They have more to be unlocked. As you can see, at 5.5 bill, we'll get 140 grand, and some people stand to win 17 grand, 12 grand, 10 grand. So do check it out. Live with all my heart. I'll have the links for that in the description down below, plus a link to my Signals chat if you want to join. See you next video. Bye.